In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your calendar to Fresha. This straightforward process will help you sync your appointments seamlessly, ensuring you never miss a booking. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is open your web browser and navigate to the Fresha website. Once you're on the site, take a moment to log into your account if you haven't already done so. You'll find the login section prominently displayed, inviting you to enter your credentials. After logging in, look towards the top right corner of the page where your profile picture is located. Click on it, and you'll see a drop-down menu. From there, click on My Profile. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust your settings. Now, focus on the left-hand menu. Here, you'll find several options, but the one you need to click on is Workspaces. This section is where you manage the different areas of your business on Fresha. Locate your workspace in the list presented to you. Once you've found it, you should see a Manage button next to it. Go ahead and click on Manage. This action will bring you to a new screen filled with various settings. As you scroll through these options, you'll come across a section labeled Calendar Sync. Here, you want to look for the button or link that says Sync a Calendar. Clicking it will start the process of integrating your appointments. Next, you'll be presented with a choice. Select Other Calendars and click Next Step. This option is ideal for ensuring compatibility with various third-party calendar applications. After confirming your choice, the system will prompt you to export your Fresha calendar. Select this option and then proceed to the next step. This is a crucial moment where the transfer of data is initiated. A URL will appear on your screen, which serves as the magic link to bridge Fresha with your personal calendar. You'll notice a small copy icon next to this URL. Click it to copy the link to your clipboard. Don't worry about memorizing this URL. The clipboard feature is there to make things easier. Now, it's time to take that URL and head over to your personal calendar application. Whether you're using Google Calendar, Apple Calendar, or Outlook, each of these platforms will have specific instructions for adding an external calendar. Paste the URL where instructed and proceed with the sync process as directed by your calendar application. Finally, complete the synchronization within your personal application. And there you have it. Your calendar is now synced with Fresha, allowing you to manage your schedule efficiently. If you followed these steps, you should now have your Fresha calendar linked and ready for use. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling!